Hi, I'm Dishan. Welcome to my channel Design Automation, where we simplify SolidWorks automation and make your design easier, smoother, and faster. So in previous video, we have write a macro that will fetch the custom property of the SolidWorks open document. But in this video, we are going to add or update the custom property for SolidWorks open file part. So let's ask GPT. Hey, I want you to write a macro that will add or update SolidWorks. Oops, I just made a mistake here. SolidWorks custom property of open document. So you can see GPT has started while writing the macro. Let's just create new module here. So I will right click over here and insert new module. I'll write update, not update, but add update custom property. Okay. The note is you cannot add space over here. It must be single word only. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Let's go line by line here. Very first, it have set the value of SolidWorks application, then active document, and description still frame, and project is automation test. Let's see add or update property. So you can see GPT have write beautiful function that will automatically update, so we don't need to write lines by lines and things. So result is this, like it will first patch the property. Result is -1, so it is the output is a value in the terms of integer, and if it is -1, it means the property does not exist and exist over here. So description is updated because description is available, and the project, the property is updated. Let's see if property is updated here or not. The description is updated, but the project isn't. So let's go to the API documentation again and see why it fails to add the property and update, and it does update the property. So here we'll see get file for custom property manager. And result is over here. So there is no -1 here. If the value is 0, the catch value is written. If value is 1, custom property does not exist, and the value is 2. So this has to be 1 now. Let's try to see again. For now I will update this and write my description. I'm sorry if I have made some spelling mistake. I will go to line by line again here and see. Description is updated. You can see now result is 1. Why? Because this property is not available, and boom, we have just added the property, but we need to check first again. So description is updated, still frame correct, and the project is automation test is also been updated. So yeah, this works again. Now the second thing, if we want to update the custom property of specific configuration, then we might need to add that configuration name over here, and it will update the thing as well. So let's see if we write default, which is our configuration name, and run it again. So I'm not going to debug everything every time, but I will use this directly and see if we are manage to add those. Yeah, So it is not available. For information, we can delete this, save this, and run this again. Okay, so you can see we have here. So yeah, it's worked fine. So I want you to take some trial on your end also. If you have any doubt, mistake, or any questions, please write down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.